Welcome to InfoGod channel. We are seeing one day manifestation for Datta Jayanti. This is a part 2. In a part 1, we came up to we need to chant two mantras togetherly. So right now we'll see what are these mantras. First mantra is Sri Swami Samartha. First mantra is Sri Swami Samartha. Second mantra is Om Swami. Second mantra is Om Swami. So by using these two mantras, Sri Swami Samartha and Om Swami togetherly, you need to chant at the day of Datta Jayanti, only fixing one time, only at morning or only at evening. You need to chant these two mantras togetherly. Now Sri Swami Samartha mantra having a 6 word and Om Swami having a 4 words. So togetherly we need to chant 10 words. Togetherly we need to chant 10 words. Then how to chant these mantras, we'll see you in the next part. Stay tuned on InfoGod channel and I'll explain you in the next part how to chant this mantra. See you.